In this video, we're going to graph linear inequalities. This is in standard form because x and y are on this side of this inequality. So what we need to do is get it into slope-intercept form where x goes on to the right side and y is all by itself. So we need to get rid of this -3 that's in front of it. I already got started accidentally because I got ahead of myself. But the way we're going to get rid of x is to subtract it on both sides. So I'm going to subtract x on this side as well. Okay, so I'm left with -3y is less than or equal to -x plus 6, because this 6 is positive. Once I'm there, what I need to do is I need to divide everything by -3. So divide by -3, divide by -3. This leaves me with y. Now I got to switch my sign. I'll talk about that in just a second. This is a -1, so -1 over negative is going to be a positive, so I'm just going to leave this as 1/3 x. Okay, again, I just put a 1 there. 6 divided by -3 is -2. Okay, I had to switch this sign's direction because I divided by a negative. So whenever you multiply your inequality or divide your inequality by a negative number, you need to switch the sign's direction. This is the only time that you have to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down to 2 to -2. That's my y-intercept. Put my point there, and my slope is 1/3. So I'm going to go up 1 over 3, up 1 over 3, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm out of space. So I'm going to go backwards. So down 1 and left 3. Down 1, left 3, down 1, left 3. Okay. On our other video, again, we said that this symbol here is going to be a solid line. So if you have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you're going to have a solid line. Okay. If it's greater than or less than, it's going to be a dashed line. Okay, so once again, I am prepared. So I'm going to draw this without my ruler, Oh, that one actually came out better than the other ones. So now I need to choose a point of where to shade. Okay, actually, that's what we did last time. I'm going to show you your shortcut. Here's your shortcut. If I've got greater than or equal to, or I've got just greater than, stuff that's greater than is above, and I'm going to shade everything above this line. So I'm going to shade up. If it's less than or less than or equal to, you shade down. Now, it gets kind of hard when your line is like steep of knowing where to shade up or shade down. I just like to draw a line straight up or straight down from it. So like from here, I have greater than, so I'm going to shade everything upwards. So I'm going to shade everything up. So everything above this line is going to get shaded, and that is where my solutions will be located. So everything in here, got a little overzealous with my shading. You just have to lightly shade yours. You don't need to worry about filling everything in like I just did. Now it looks like a giant mess, but that's okay. All right. And I want to show you that this trick worked. So I want to choose a point. I'm going to choose 0, 0. This should give me a true solution. Okay. I'm going to plug it into my equation here and the original one. So 0, 0 should be true. 0 for x and 0 for y. So plugging it in, I'm going to get 0 is greater than or equal to 1/3 times 0 minus 2. 1/3 times 0 is 0. Minus 2 is -2. So I'm going to get 0 is greater than or equal to -2, and that is indeed true. We'll plug it into the original one also. We're going to get 0 minus 0 is less than 6, and that is definitely true as well. Okay, so my little trick right here with the greater than shade up, less than shade down works out. But yeah, I would preface this, it's only going to work when your y is by itself and it's not negative.